I go with the pocket. And when I want a good chew, I go to my pouch of Red Man chewing tobacco. To me, the flavor's the best.
You feel your taste buds tingle, Taco Bell, Taco Bell. Watch us make you a burrito or a tasty enchilada. Tostadas and tacos made up fresh at Taco.
Fact, in independent clinical studies, the medic...
Warning, the United States government has issued an emergency broadcast to every state of the United States. A meteorological event featuring a large unknown object has entered our atmosphere. It has crashed in New York City. Stand by for more information. Warning, we are getting reports that the unknown object has infected the entirety of New York City with an unknown virus. This virus causes people to turn into toilet heads. These toilet heads are completely bulletproof and are able to move the spit-like of legs. They can spread the infection by singing a certain melody that you will in the average.